Spain, on a shoestring, your adventure awaits. Hola, fellow adventurers. Are you yearning for the vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and sun-drenched beaches of Spain? Do you dream of indulging in paella and tapas without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. This guide is your passport to experiencing the magic of Spain on a budget, focusing on two captivating cities, Valencia and Granada. Get ready to uncover hidden gems, savor authentic flavors, and create unforgettable memories, all while being kind to your wallet. Whether you're a student backpacker or a savvy traveler seeking affordable luxury, Spain welcomes you with open arms and a plethora of budget-friendly options. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. But first, let's talk about how to make the most of your travel funds. From finding the perfect accommodation to navigating the culinary scene without overspending, I'm here to share insider tips and tricks that will help you stretch your euros further than you ever thought possible. Get ready to experience Spain like a local without spending like a tourist. Are you ready to swap tourist traps for authentic experiences? Let's dive right in. Finding the perfect place to relax after a long day of exploring is crucial, but it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Both Valencia and Granada offer a wide range of budget-friendly accommodations that won't leave you feeling like you're sleeping in a shoebox. For the social butterflies and solo travelers, hostels are your best bet. Valencia boasts a vibrant hostel scene with options like Home Youth Hostel and Rusafa Youth Hostel, offering dorm rooms and private rooms at unbeatable prices. In Granada, check out Oasis Backpackers Hostel or Granada Inn Backpackers, known for their friendly atmosphere and budget-friendly vibes. If you prefer a bit more privacy and the comforts of home, Airbnb is your new best friend. From charming apartments in the heart of the city to cozy studios with stunning views, Airbnb offers a plethora of choices to fit your budget. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee in your own little Spanish abode. Pure bliss. Don't discount budget hotels just yet. Many offer comfortable rooms with basic amenities at very reasonable prices. Look for hotels slightly outside the city center, or consider staying during the off-season for even better deals. Remember, you're in Spain to explore, not to spend all your time in your room. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds, because Spain is a foodie's paradise, even on a budget. Forget fancy restaurants with exorbitant prices. The real culinary treasures lie in local markets, tapas bars, and neighborhood eateries. Start your day like a true Spaniard with a hearty breakfast of tostada con tomate, toasted bread rubbed with fresh tomato and drizzled with olive oil. Simple, delicious, and easy on the wallet. For lunch, venture into the bustling markets like Mercado Central in Valencia or Mercado San Miguel in Granada, where you can sample an array of local delicacies without breaking the bank. Tapas, those small plates of culinary heaven, are a budget traveler's best friend. Head to traditional tapas bars in the evenings, where you can sample a variety of flavors without overspending. In Valencia, try Bar Pilar or Casa Montaña, while in Granada, Los Zagales and Bar Poe are local favorites. Don't forget to embrace the Menú del Día, a lunchtime staple offered by many restaurants, featuring a fixed menu with multiple courses at a very affordable price. It's the perfect opportunity to sample traditional Spanish dishes without emptying your wallet. Section 4. Free fun in the sun. Valencia's budget-friendly delights. Valencia, with its blend of history, modernity, and coastal charm, offers a plethora of free and low-cost activities that will keep you entertained without spending a fortune. Start your exploration at the City of Arts and Sciences, an architectural marvel that will transport you to the future. While the museums and exhibitions inside have entrance fees, strolling around the complex and admiring its futuristic buildings is completely free. Next, escape the city bustle and soak up the Mediterranean sun at Valencia's stunning beaches. Playa de la Malvarosa and Playa de las Arenas are easily accessible from the city center and offer endless opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, and simply relaxing. For a taste of nature within the city, head to Turia Gardens, a lush green oasis built in the former riverbed of the Turia River. Rent a bike, enjoy a leisurely stroll, or simply relax by the fountain. The choice is yours. And don't miss the chance to witness the unique spectacle of Valencia's Water Tribunal, a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage event that takes place every Thursday at noon. Section 5. Granada on a dime. Exploring history and culture for less. Granada, nestled in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains, is a city steeped in history and culture, and luckily, experiencing its magic doesn't require a king's ransom. While the Alhambra, Granada's crown jewel, does have an entrance fee, you can still soak up its grandeur from afar. Head to Mirador de San Nicolas in the Albaycin neighborhood for breathtaking views of the Alhambra, especially enchanting during sunset. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of the Albaycin, Granada's historic Arab quarter, with its whitewashed houses, hidden courtyards, and stunning views of the Alhambra. This is the perfect place to wander aimlessly, soak up the local atmosphere, and discover hidden treasures around every corner. For a taste of authentic flamenco, head to Sacramonte, the traditional gypsy quarter, known for its cave dwellings and vibrant flamenco performances. While some venues charge entrance fees, you can often find free shows in local bars and squares, especially during the evenings. Just follow the rhythm of the music, and you'll find yourself immersed in the heart of Granada's soul.